Have you ever charged your phone overnight, only to wake up and see the battery drain faster than ever? Today, I'll explain why your phone battery dies so quickly and how you can make it last longer. Number 1, background apps. Most people don't realize that apps running in the background are the number 1 battery killer. Social media apps, messengers, and even navigation apps silently refresh data, draining your battery without you knowing. Number 2, brightness and screen time. The display is the most power-hungry part of your phone. Keeping brightness at 100% or using your phone for long hours, especially for video streaming, can cut battery life in half. Number 3, poor charging habits. Charging overnight, letting your battery drop to 0%, or using cheap chargers can all reduce your battery's health. Modern batteries prefer short, partial charges instead of full drains. Number 4, old battery health. Every lithium-ion battery has a lifespan. After about 500 charge cycles, your battery starts to lose capacity. That's why a 2-year-old phone doesn't hold charge like it used to. So, if your phone battery dies quickly, check your apps, lower your brightness, and charge smarter. Want more tech tips to make your gadgets last longer? Hit that subscribe button for more.